Action Jackson. Today we have a cash back video. You want free cash. You want free cash on your purchases online? Then this is the video. I'm going to try to make this as quick as possible and try to not be all over the place, although I can't promise that. But if you want some cash back, guaranteed cash back, this is the video you want to watch. And I'm going to have a referral link in the description. You click that link, you sign up, and it takes like 2 minutes to sign up. I believe you get cash back already, that's that. So it's called Lemony.com. If you've heard of Ebates, you know what Ebates is. Ebates is you get cash back off of any website you shop on by clicking their links. By clicking you click Home Depot and you get the 3% cash back just by clicking their link. They go forwards to HomeDepot.com. And you just shop through there and you get the cash back when you're signed in. Same exact thing here, Lemony. I think this is better than Ebates because I'm getting more cash back. Now everybody's different. I'm shopping on eBay. eBay's my thing. I spend hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of dollars, thousands of dollars on eBay. And as much as I'm not going to even get into that. I'm not going to get into my hatred of eBay. But nevertheless, if you want cash back, this is the website, and what you do is you sign up. It takes 2 minutes, and you sign up through my referral link, and it's going to be in the video description. And you're already off to the races. You get 1 turbo credit. A turbo credit is it enhances your money by getting cash back. I'm going to just say this one thing here. This is 100% legitimate. I would not be wasting my damn time recording this video and uploading this and editing this to YouTube. There's just no way in hell I would be wasting my time with that. You know, wait until you see my Ebates video. You'll see how legit. Lemony is terrific though, and I recommend them over Ebates. Both of them are great. So let's go back to what I'm talking about. So you click the shop you want, where you want to shop. You can shop on Amazon, you can shop at Home Depot, the Walmart, eBay, Macy's. You click the link, shop now. Let's click and you click shop now, and you're in the portal, and the portal will take you to it's a redirect link. It will take you to Macy's or whatever website you pick. There's hundreds of websites, and you click shop now again, obviously. Let's see. Well, let's take a look at other websites. Overstock. Women's Clothing, Home Garden, QuickZip, Remy, LightsOnline.com, Go Vacuum. Some of these you never heard of. Ross and Snow. See, I don't know some of these. Macy's, Big Dogs, Neiman Marcus. Let's see. MacBack. There's a whole bunch. Mac Security. Lots of different websites here. You have the main ones of Amazon, eBay, and Macy's though. So if you QVC, Old Navy, Gap, Overstock, you have all the websites that are most popular on the internet. So basically, you just click shop now, and you can you go through that portal. You click shop now again, and you buy on the website. You find an item, you have to go through the portal, the redirect link, and you have to buy through that shopping trip, as they call it, and you will get the cash back. Now let's take a look at how much money I've earned. I have earned a total of $69.48 through this website just by shopping online. Cash back. And I have not been I haven't used this site a whole hell of a lot. On my, let's see, I had like, all right, well, it looks like I used it a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4. I use it. There's about 15 shopping trips that I registered in, and I've earned $69 through those 15 trips. You're not getting 50% of what you purchase. There's just no, it's not realistic. A website can't make money off that, but you can make money with 3%, 5%, 8%. And I've used my Turbo Cash Back to earn as much as $11 on a certain trip. So it's that's gas money, that's food money, that's grocery money. It's not chump change per se. $69 isn't chump change. It's a nice little amount to parlay with and get something good for yourself. So Lemony.com, and now this is it. I mean, it's really all I have to really say about this video. I 100% recommend it if you like to shop online. You want free cash. These websites, they don't give you cash back, period. You have to earn it through Lemony and Ebates. And they're the ones that do it. Lemony is my choice. And all these cashback sites, I shouldn't just mention Ebates, there's other ones as well. And it's because, but these are the top two. But we're going with Lemony, and Lemony is my favorite as of now. And you want cash back, you want money back, you like to shop online, then you want to click my referral link in the description, and you sign up and you're done, and you start shopping. That's pretty much that simple. Free cash back. Now, when you have the money in the account, when you earn it, you can request it into your PayPal account, or you can buy gift cards with it. And for me, I will probably get it back in my PayPal account because it's just that more convenient for me. I like to use it on other things besides gift cards. So, Lemony.com, it is easy to use. It is free money if you take advantage of it. Literally free money, cash back. And, it's not chump change either. Remember, my $69 is through eBay. eBay doesn't, it's not the biggest offering, usually 1 to 1.3%. If you're using Macy's, and if you're a shopper, you're getting 4, 10 to 16% back. If you use a C credit or a Turbo credit, you're getting double that. So you're possibly earning $40 through one trip. And that's great cash back. That's great cash back. And so, yeah. I mean, that's pretty much all I got to say. I'm not going to lecture anymore. Lemony.com. If you have any questions, please comment. Please comment in the comment section. My referral link is in the description. Please click that. Please click the referral link, and you're going to be set from there.